Reverend Dr. Keturah York Cooper is one of those making exceptional impact in women's leadership. Dr. Cooper was born in the mid-1950s in a small West African country, Liberia, where girls' empowerment and education have been marginalized while boys are given preferential treatment. But that did not deter Dr. Cooper. Thanks to the nurturing of parents, businessman James L. York, an educator, former president of Monrovia College, and the first president of AME University, Dr. Louise C. York, Dr. Cooper seized the opportunities and has consistently exemplified excellence in pursuit of education. Today, not only has she acquired her terminal degree with distinction, but has also committed over 30 years to imparting knowledge to young people at the Monrovia College and Industrial Training School, the University of Liberia, the Morgan State University in the USA, the Liberia Baptist Theological Seminary, and presently as the Dean of the John R. Bryant Theological Seminary of AME University.
I believe that Dr. Keturah York Cooper will make a good bishop. Why? Because she is a good leader. She has very good leadership skills. She's worked at AME University for many years from being an instructor to a dean and also as vice president for academic affairs. Dr. Cooper knows how to solve problems. In fact, one of her best skills is to anticipate issues before they arrive. She's also a good delegator. That's a skill set that she has that I wish I had more of. She will delegate, and that tells me that she has the ability to judge people's ability and apportion the responsibilities appropriately. I believe that Dr. Cooper will provide great leadership for the AME Church.
The journey of the African Methodist Episcopal Church to its bicentennial celebration is a journey of faith and a journey of courage. Today I stand in an edifice that I started 16 years ago with only 16 members and with just a little bit of faith. And God has truly blessed it. As pastor of the Empowerment Temple AME Church in Liberia, we now have an edifice that is over $1 million in value. We have a school, and we also have a non-for-profit where we cater to the needs of young women and to the needs of our youth. I see myself as an example of the diversity of the AME Church. I challenge us that as we celebrate 200 years, that we will embrace our diversity, that we will look across the globe, and we can see that God has raised up leaders who are prepared to serve.
And having served on all levels of the AME Church, the local district, the Episcopal district, and the connectional, Dr. Cooper now embarks on yet another journey leading to ministry service in the office of a bishop in the African Methodist Episcopal Church.
As a candidate for Episcopal service in the AME Church, I bring to you over 30 years of experience in our educational system. I bring to you years of experience as a pastor, as a builder, and as a servant of God.
I now desire to utilize my extensive ministry experience as a driving force for global transformative ministry, while strengthening the fundamental values of our great denomination. With your help, we can do this. I solicit your prayers. I solicit your vote. Choose Keturah York Cooper for Bishop in 2016. And let us together begin a new way, a new day, and turn a new page in our Zion. May God bless you.